The main reason we're trying to keep Mehlville healthier is the attendance has been dropping in some areas, and I've been getting some daily reports on the attendance of the different schools. We've been keen on them areas. We've been keen on the whole building just to try to keep the attendance up, and then the areas that are struggling a little bit on attendance, we've been hitting a little harder to try and get our attendance numbers back up in there. Our custodians at night, we've been going around wiping down furniture, the desks, the tables, light switches, door handles, anything we could possibly come across that might be spreading germs, rails, anything to make Mehlville a little healthier here.
So what we've done is equipped every bus with a can of disinfectant. The buses will be sprayed down after the morning routes, and they will be done after the PM routes in the afternoon. Our main goal over here is to keep the children safe and keep the germs from spreading from child to child. They're spraying like a disinfectant that they're modeling towards what this is being used in the schools. It's a spray-on disinfectant, so it can get into crevices and nooks where the children sit and where they put their hands and touch things.
We're going to concentrate on washing hands, and you're going to wash hands for 20 seconds at least. We're going to control our coughs and sneezes and our elbows, teach the kids to do the same. We're going to try to limit our contact with people that are sick. If we are sick or our children are sick, we want to stay home and not bring that out into the community. I would say at least at the end of the day, they're wiping them down desktops, they're wiping down toys or books that kids can come in contact with. It's just an added layer of protection that we can do right now, especially with all the news coming out. It's just one more thing that we can do.